You should be.
Hey, I'm gonna get shocked the right fuck way.
Someone push the button.
Do it.
Fuck. Oh, shit, I didn't push it.
I have the fastest reaction. I didn't get shocked.
I didn't either.
I didn't feel anything.
Yes.
Really, guys? It was only me. You push the button if you want to get shocked. Push it.
Yeah, go.
Oh!
Is mine not on?
No, you pushed the
Some
button.
fuckers.
Oh.
I purposely pushed. Ow! Jesus, it was still going.
Then don't touch it.
Ah! Why?
Hey, you said you couldn't feel anything.
No, because I kept.
Why?
Are you ready?
It's not even on.
Go.
Fuck. I'm scared.
Don't do that to me.
No!
I want to get shocked. I really do.
It didn't even shock me. I just got scared. It didn't even go off. I just got scared.
I pushed the button. Fuck you! Fuck you!
Don't do this to me.
Press it.
Fuck you.
Jonathan, press
Stand
it.
up.
Ow. It's still going. Push the button.
I didn't press it and didn't do anything, so.
Yeah.
She likes it.
I enjoyed the most.
You would buy one of these and hold all of them and just put them all over and
I
just
would
like,
too. It's like a multiplayer game.
Light turns green. Press
Fuck.
the button.
Fuck.
And don't press the button.
You know you get the shit shot.
You don't look your can there, okay?
Ow! Fuck. You pressed the button. You pressed it.
Shit. Fuck. No, get out of here.
I fucking press the button. Let's go. I'll have two. I'll do two.
I'll put your ass in an electric chair and then I'll see if you want to finish game back.
I want to press it again.
Screw off, John.
Fucking hell.
You weren't
I
glove.
want to press it again. Oh, you bitch.
Nate, give me that shit. Come on. That's it. He likes you pressing it.
It don't fucking hurt.
Yeah.
It's so much
It
fun.
feels weird. That's why.
Fuck. I'm scared. Get out of here.
Doesn't hurt that much,
I'll
John.
do it.
yeah, but it's John. Everything hurts that much.
Still. I think that's why I won't get zapped.
What?
John's a wimp. It didn't even hit me. I just got
I
scared.
just clicked the freaking button. Like,
Ah, shit. I didn't even click it.
oh, it was on high.